guys, so congratulations on getting through the course. I'm just going to summarize with one last video on what you need to do. You need to go to AMZSCOUT. You need to sign up for something. The Pro extension you could start with for free. Use the friend referral links if you don't mind for AMZSCOUT, DSMTOOL. And basically you're going to go through, use these extensions. If you get the seller bundle, there's also a course in there that will teach you how to do FBA. That's Amazon. So once you get done this, make some money, go to the course in here, upgrade. And basically you're going to use all the information I just taught you, and you're going to use these tools, these extensions, research products, list those products on the Rapid Lister, push them into your eBay store. You're going to have eBay store sales. Then once you get your sales, you want to go, you can upgrade and have auto orders done, but if you want to save a little extra money, go to Rakuten, or it used to be Ebates, I believe, or be frugal and process your order by going into whatever store you listed from. If it was off of Amazon, Amazon doesn't have a whole lot that you get cash back, but if you list off of a different supplier, then you're going to get that cash back, and then that cash back money goes into your accounts. And I'll just show you real quick my Be Frugal account, and I have cashed some of that out. And don't forget, you can add your Rakuten to Chrome, and it'll search for things as you go, but you can see this is my drop shipping amount for just like, that's like extra bonus money for using Rakuten. But thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for being in my course. Drop a little review, I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or needs, just send me a message through the course. Thanks for taking my course, and hope to see you on my channel, Amy Hunt, Home Business Expert.